Hey you guys, it's Zippy. My husband, whom I dearly love, is a pain in my butt. He just came in to bring me this. Did you eat your calcium? You look like you're behind on your pill, on your supplements. I'm like, I'm okay, you know. And so he brings me my calcium supplement. God forbid, you know. And I'm fine. I'm on track, you know. I'm not missing any of my supplements. It just looks like the supplements on the counter. I put them on the counter to remind myself that I have to take them. It just looks like it's a little pile, just a little bit too big to him, you know. And so he's gone to calling himself Dr. Donnie, you know. And he says, unfortunately, he doesn't get paid enough. He's my poor doctor. I'm thinking I want a new health insurance plan. I want a new health care provider with different doctors. He brought this to me. He's always following me around with either water or a supplement.